Subject Science, Class 3, Chapter 5, Food from Plants. Tick the correct option. Cabbage is a vegetable. It is a root of the plant. Turnip. They make the food tasty. Spices. Broccoli is the flower. Fill in the blanks. Plants and animals need food to. Wheat and maize are cereals. We get tea and coffee from plants. Coconut is used to make oil. Turmeric and pepper are spices. Match the following: cauliflower, flower; apple, fruit; beetroot, root; mint, leaves. Mint, leaves; cardamom, spices. Circle the odd one out in each group: almond, turnip, banana, radish.